Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a very exciting unboxing for you today. This is from the brand Rough and Tumble, and I only just discovered this brand. I know it's been around for a while. They are based out of Maine in the USA, and they make handmade, very unique leather and wax canvas style bags. They have convertibles, totes, crossbodies, wallets, clutches, all sorts of things. This is a hobo pack in a small size with a side pocket, and it was purchased off the buy sell trade. No, it's like a chat page, but they do have a sale and trade section on there. So I just got this today. It must have been the last delivery of the day, and I am still in my PJs, so I'm not going to be in the video, but I did want to unbox it with you guys and give you my first impressions. So here is a letter that's really sweet from the lady. It says, "I hope this bag made its journey across the ocean to you safely. Hopefully this is the beginning of many beautiful memories involving this beauty in your journeys to come. Thank you again for your purchase." Oh, that's very sweet of her to do that. Lovely. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, so I've heard some wonderful things about this brand with the leather. All the leathers are very different. There's different colors, there's different styles. You can custom make your bags. It is an amazing, amazing company. So, oh wow. Okay, so super, super soft. Oh my gosh. So I'm not sure on the colors on this. I'll have to see if I can find out. I think this is a huckleberry from what I can see. This looks like some kind of blacky brown. Oh, so pretty. So this is a small size. So I have got some mediums coming. But this bag particular, this is the hobo pack. This is convertible. So you do have a strap here. This is adjustable. So this is the new generation, or NG. So you can adjust it on the crossbody and backpack portion of it. But this one has a side pocket here, which is actually kind of small. So I think that would be great for like maybe a small set piece for jujube, or your keys, or your sunnies would go perfect in there. There are, as I said, so many different styles that you can do. This one looks like it's been customed. It's custom made. So it's got the colors, different color zip. That looks like a navy zipper pull. And as I said, huckleberry silver hardware on it. So I really do like this. So I wasn't sure on sizes, but people said the small can fit a lot in there. So let me just give you a peek of the inside. It's really hard to kind of see because it is a leather bag, so it's a little floppy. So on the inside you do have a two pockets here with little leather slip pockets that you can put phones and things in. And then on the front side of the bag there's a zipper compartment. It's also got a leather pull on it. And also inside here is another leather little pocket. So I love that this had internal organization. There is also a key leash that is removable with a lobster clip. This is the same color as the zipper pull here. So wow. So I don't know. I was hoping this might be big enough to put things in for Clara and me, but this may be just a me bag. I'll have to test it out. But oh, it's so nice. It smells amazing. I can smell it already. Okay guys, so I'm going to go play with this. As I said, it's late in the evening, so I better go check on my kids, but I wanted to unbox this with y'all. And I will put the link for the website below and the Buy Sell Trade and Chat page, fan page. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you have a great evening. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye.